Good evening, traders. Good evening, friends. Good evening, my students and all my viewers. Today is Sunday, 8th November 2020. Okay, there's an inscription here. Before you quit forex trading for lack of success, follow us for a while. Watch our previous videos and see the results in today's market. What you need is the right knowledge. We just started a new training few days ago for new and experienced traders, but you can still join us today. We use advanced methods of Elliott wave theory to analyze the forex market, and the results are tremendous. Contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram or SMS on this number +234 8060809963, or join our Telegram channel. So I will put the description below the details on the description of this video. We will charge you a little money. We teach almost free for this year. Next year everything will change. Right now, little money we will charge you, and you can be able to do what you are doing. So if you watch our previous videos, you can see that we know what we are doing. So that's for all for now. Now, DXY, US dollar index. Okay, the price is going down. It's still going down. Okay, previously I labeled this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The difference is that I expected that the wave 4 will come up around here, but you can see it ended here. I was saying that we have two probabilities. Either wave 4 have ended, or it will still come back around here, around 96. But you can see, because of the effect of US election and the outcome, so sorry for the interruption. So wave 4 has ended here. I don't expect wave 4 to still come up here, though it's still possible, but I'm expecting a break of this very line and a further drop, maybe 89, 89.5, 89 point something, or 90. So expect a further drop to complete this very cycle of 5 waves before we talk about pullback. So this is for 4 hours on DXY. Okay, 1 hour on DXY. We don't have much to show on 1 hour, rather than to show you how you will enter. I will trade DXY if I get a reasonable pullback. A pullback may be around 93, 92.5, 92.7, 92.8. I will look for a pullback in this blue box. That's the only thing I can show you on 1 hour on dollar index. I have to sell to break this low, maybe towards 90 or at 9 point something. Okay, that's for DXY. So now let's take a look at S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 wave 4 has also ended. S&P 500 and DXY is almost inverse. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is developing. This 5 is within the wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is wave 3. So we expect wave 5, and which has started. Wave 4 ended here. I thought that we will still have a deeper pullback around there, but it didn't happen. So this is wave 1 of 5, 2 of 5. We're looking for 3, 4, and 5. So that's for dollar index. Okay, dollar index on 1 hour is just, sorry, Oh, please, pardon. S&P 500, we are talking about. This is one daily of S&P 500. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours on S&P 500. We are just looking for entry. If you bought from here, that's very good. But if you're yet to buy, look for a pullback. Pullback can end at 3,461, or it may come down to the blue box. This blue box is not a must. It must come down small and begin going up. So watch out for buying. I'm looking for buy setup around this area from here to here. I'm looking for buy entry. That is for 4 hours. Okay, now 1 hour, you can see it clearer. I'm expecting to, you can see 1 hour, we have 1, 2, 3. Then we're looking for 4 to trade the 5. So look for entry around this area, around 3,380, 3,400, 3,450, between 3,480 to 3,380. We are looking for buy setup. So look for buy. Possibility of going deeper, breaking this low might not be possible for now. Okay, let's go to the next page. The next is Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's go to 4 hours on our daily. Euro USD. Okay, daily Euro USD. On daily time, we can see we have 1, 2, 3. And 4 has ended. Anyway, 4, this is a sharp move, so I don't expect 4 to come down here again, though everything is possible. So the best thing is to wait for the break of this very level before you buy. This is for daily. This is for those who trade long time frame. If you trade shorter time frame, you can still let's go to 4 hours to see what we have there. Okay, Euro USD 4 hours. You can see this very move is sharp, so I don't expect this low to be broken very soon. So we watch how the price develops. If we get a slow move down here, that will be a perfect buy setup. So I'm looking for buy setup or Euro USD. I'm no longer looking for sell setup. Sell setup is still possible if something happened and I get a sharp candle like this. If I get a sharp candle like this via here, I will change my bias. But if I get a kind of this type of candle moving slowly, then I will look for buy entry on Euro USD. That's it for 4 hours. And 1 hour, nothing different on 1 hour. Just that things are clear. Like this is wave 1, 2, wave 3 is 5 wave impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making wave 3. Then we are looking for wave 4. Wave 4 might develop as ABC, WXY, or even triangle. And any information can be in wave 4. So we are looking for what will happen here before we begin to buy. Okay. The next is AUD USD. for long. I have not touched this pair, but now I decided to look into it. We can see it's moving impulsively. 1, 2, 3, then 4 is ended because of this sharp move. I'm not longer looking for wave 4 to second down here, though it's still possible, but because of the broken of this very area, I'm looking for buy. So you can see that wave 3 developed as five waves impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. WXY. So we are looking for entry. If you have not bought this very pair, look for entry. Last week I couldn't trade because of some things beyond my control. I couldn't make any post, no trade. So, but no time is late on forex markets. Once you know what you are looking for. So this is for daily AUD USD. Let's go to 4 hours to see what we have there. On 4 hours, it's very clear. 1, 2, 3. We are looking for 4. Once we get 4, we are looking for the break of this 0.724. So we look for how this will develop, either as triangle, zigzag, double zigzag, whatever formation. But we are looking for the retracement in this blue box for me to enter the market. I'm looking for buy on AUD USD. Okay. What do you have next? 1 hour and 4 hours here. Is the same thing, nothing much. Though on 1 hour we can see that this very move is somehow awkward, but they are all as a result of US election. So, but no problem. You can see we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking for a drop around here for it to enter buy. That's for AUD USD. Don't neglect a channel. Whenever you see channel in forex in Elliott wave analysis, don't neglect the channel. We might get a deep support on this channel, but not a must. The price can still be going up from here or from here. So that's for AUD USD. The next pair we have in line is pounds US dollar. Pounds US dollar. This is the daily chart. As long as this top is not broken, I am still looking for sell. Though I am not selling now, but I will not buy comfortably and relax until this top is broken. This 1.3510. Once it's still intact, this move is still possible. A drop to 1.28, 1.26, 1.27 is still possible, unless here is broken. Okay, that's for daily. Let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, pounds dollar. Yes, there are possibilities. Okay, we might have a drop from here, and then the break from here, or if this place is broken, this is 0.78 fibor, is a very strong place. If it is broken, we might get a bounce on this very channel and price will go down, or it might break it and come to 8.6, then price will go down. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is that as we are buying, we should be careful. As we are buying, my advice is for you to wait for the break of this channel before you buy, or if you have a corrective pullback. If you get a pullback that is corrective, we can buy. But right now, I'm just watching what happens in this pair. Okay. The next, I see something. 1 hour, pounds dollar 1 hour. Pounds dollar 1 hour. This move is impulsive, and this move is corrective. If we get a pullback around this, the blue box and the rejection, if you get a rejection, then if you get a rejection on this blue box, then we will buy. But if we get a sharp move, if you have a sharp move, a move like this, I will consider looking for something else. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to pounds yen. On pounds yen, on my previous video, I still maintain that a drop will happen, though not a must. But as far as the market is moving the way it's moving, I'm expecting a drop to break this channel. But if the channel keeps supporting, I keep watching it. But my bias is for, I am looking for the entry to break this channel. If this channel is broken, I will sell heavily. Okay, on 4 hours, something interesting is developing. This is a forecast. This is the wave A, and this wave B. Then we're looking for wave C, which will eventually break this channel. And wave C and A is always impulsive. I assume that wave C have started. But it will only be confirmed if it broke here. And if it have started, then this is wave 1 of C. Then wave 2 of C is still forming, probably as triangle A, B, C, D, E. So if we get a bounce around here and a break of this lower channel, I will sell heavily. And it will be a confirmation that wave 3 of C has started in earnest. So that's for pounds, yen. The 1 hour, we don't have anything to show on 1 hour. Nevertheless, on 1 hour we see something that is good to see. So this is a sharp move. Now we are trying to know if this wave E will work out, and this is a sharp move, and this is a correction. So the break of this channel will tell us that wave E is still developing. And if it happened, I will consider buying. Then and watch what happens here. If I get a bounce here, I will sell. As long as this C is not broken, then the triangle is still valid. And if I get a sharp, if I get this type of sharp sell from here, then I know that this very structure is going down. Okay, that's for 1 hour. Then the next is euro yen. Wait a minute, it's gonna open. Euro yen and euro yen. Daily chart on euro yen. On euro yen, we see something interesting is happening on euro yen. This channel is yet to be broken. I said it before. Channeling is important in Elliott wave analysis. In any wave analysis, channeling is important. Because of what I see in this structure, I'm still expecting a drop to this channel to complete the wave 4 at 50% of 50%. So I'm still looking for a drop on daily chart. On 4 hours, it might be different, but let's take a look at it. So on 4 hours, we have alternative. The alternative is that we might have, if this, you see, price is bouncing here. You can see this candle, and this is the confluence. Price is bouncing here, and once price is bouncing, we expect either a drop or it can see if this yellow box is broken. Careful, my former. If this yellow box is broken upwards, blue box is broken upwards, then we might get a buy towards here. But the bottom line is this channel is important. If this channel breaks, we can buy and watch for this area. What I'm trying to say, to confirm buying, this here will be broken. To confirm buying, here will be broken. If this place is not broken, we're not gonna buy, are still looking for sell until this very line is broken. So that's for pounds, yen. Then gold. Gold is interesting. Gold is very, very interesting. This is a sharp move, and this is a confirmation of buy, but the buying is still not confirmed for longer time trading until this very line is broken. Bullish confirmation. On the structure wise, the buying is in progress, but from our experience, we must still have a sell from here. So as we are buying, we should be careful and watch what happens here. If you get a strong bounce, we close our buy and look for sell. That's for daily. Then on 4 hours, this minor confirmation, we have got a minor confirmation for bullish, and it's been broken. So I'm expecting a correction towards this very line to enter the buy, and if I buy, I will be watching 1976.48. Once 1976.48 is broken, then I will buy for towards 2005 and so on. Okay, that's for gold on 4 hours. Then we don't have anything to show on gold on 1 hour. 1 hour and 4 hours is always the same thing. But on 1 hour, we always have clearer entry position. So we can see if we get okay, now let me show something on 1 hour. This is a sharp drop, and this sharp drop show that we might have another sharp drop towards here. So that is 1 hour, and there's nothing more we can show you about that on gold. I don't trade with 15 minutes anyway, but we can see this is the sharp drop, and this very move can result at anything. Whenever you see this type of move whenever you see this type of price action, anything can happen. It can either break up, continue going down, or it will drop before it go down. So that's all for now. I think do we still have some minutes to show any other pair? I didn't analyze silver because of time. Maybe silver and gold is always the same thing. They move most of the time they move together. But let me just go to 4 hours of silver to see what we have there. Okay, just only 4 hours. Okay, you can see silver and gold, they are doing the same thing. The minor conversion has broken, so we are looking for buy. We are looking for buy on silver. So once we get pullback from here, correction or pullback towards this line is we're gonna buy. So it's buying for now until this very area is broken. So what we expect on silver, we also expect on gold. So I'm looking for, this is the main bullish confirmation. Once here is broken, what's this? Sorry, this is gold. Oh my God, this is gold again. Oh, I wanted to open silver. Sorry for the mix-up. I wanted to open silver and gold opened. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, you can see on silver, this is our old labeling. We expected that price will go further, but everything changed here due to US election. So on silver and gold, we have almost the same thing on silver and gold. So here is broken slightly, but the main invalidation is here. So we expect something like this, something like this, something like this. So once here is broken, once here is broken, here is broken, then we are going to 30, 31, 30 and above for silver. Silver might be hitting $40 this time around, but we need to watch for entry. You need to watch for entry. On our entry, you don't just enter like this. We might have a pullback, something like this. You might still have a pullback before we buy. So look for a correction towards 20.6 and 38.2. So we are looking for buy around here. I'm looking for buy. I'm not in the market already because that's week I couldn't trade. But now I'm looking for buy on this very currency pair. Okay, that's for silver. Okay, and that's all for today. That's all for today. Oh my God. I wanted to touch touch USD card. Let me touch USD card. Though I didn't label it, but let me see what is there. Let me just do quick analysis on USD card. Okay, USD card. USD card. Let's go to 4 hours. USD card, you can see I didn't, and the last time I analyzed the pay is the price is here. Sorry, the price is here, and I was expecting that it will come up and come down, and you can see it's happened almost how I forecasted it. You can see the price is trying to reverse where my blue box is. But there's something I see here, which, okay, let me go to daily. Okay, daily, something is fishing here. We might, so here might be broken, but let's keep watching. USD card might surprise people. I'm expecting that price will turn here, but it seems that it will not. So we keep our eyes on USD card. You can see the price might not. Sorry. The price might not end here. So I'm expecting that we will have. We will continue. That the correction will end here, but it seems it will not. Let's keep watching what happens. So, but I have seen signs of bullishness. But you know, the US election and the results affected the US dollar greatly. So, on 1 hour, let's see what is happening in 1 hour to know what needs to do. On 1 hour, normally, let me remove all these things. Normally, when you have this type of move, what follows is retracement and continue buying. This is impulse. So the normal thing is supposed to be a correction around from here to here, and the buying will continue. But you see, this low is taken, and once this low is taken, we will likely see a deeper. The buying the selling might continue. So my advice is do not buy USD card now. rather look for sell. So what I'm talking about? Just keep watching this very area. I'm expecting the price to continue going down from here. Okay, anyway, this is potential reversal area. So we can see this very move is sharp. These two candles is a strong move, but it doesn't make any meaning until it breaks here. If it breaks here, then watch out for here. So right now I am looking for selling dollars. I'm not buying dollars now. So this very buying is strong, maybe because it jammed a strong Fibo level. Maybe that's the reason. Then we might see another sell setup around here. That's all for today. Remember, I will put the description of this video, our details. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Telegram channel, like and share our video, invite your friends, those who want to learn how to trade the forex, invite them. We teach now almost free. The price we charge is as good as free, but that's for this year. Those who could register with us this year, we pay little. But if you can make it this year, next year you're gonna pay something higher than what we are asking for this year. So right now I'm wrapping up this analysis. Remember to trade with stop loss. The trade with their losses must be commensurate with your equity. Don't over trade. It's better to make little profit every day and become rich while within few months and years than try to make all the profits today and lose your money. Remember, any trade you entered, you can lose it, you can gain it. So there's no 100% guarantee that you must win a trade, but because we have known how to read our charts, we can forecast and be correct. Maybe 8 times out of 10 or 8 times out of 12 times. If we trade 10 times, we likely win 8 and lose 2. If you trade 12 times, you might win 8 and lose 4. So that's how Elliott wave is the best as long as trading is concerned. Have a nice day. Have a nice trading week. I wish you many green pips. Trade with care. Bye.